Hello everyone, this is Jad Chan in Hong Kong, China. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So I found a jadeite at my home. It's already very long time ago. I don't know who put in the drawer and I found it. When I get it, it's still very dark, dirty. So I make it clean. Now I want to make a jadeite bracelet. I just try to some make new design. So I got this the god of wealth. Before I say the god of money, it's completely wrong in English. It should say the god of wealth. In Chinese is 财神. So I also get the silver ring. It's a silver. So my idea is put the bee of the god of wealthy inside and go and through the sealed the string from here and become like a bracelet. Now let me show you how to make it. So this time I will use 4 coins. String. This is 4 coins. Elastic coin string. The needle. Like this. More easy to see. The jadeite looks more different than the agate. The jadeite is more inside. The jade is more visible. You can see more detail inside. I want make a silver flower to match this silver ring. But I don't want the metal to put together. It will harm each other. So I put the silver. And this is a small bee. Of course, it's the green one. It's an agate. Then is the god of wealth. Many people will like the god of wealth. See, jadeite, silver, a small agate bee, silver, and the god of wealth. Looks very nice. It's very valuable. Let's try it on. Yes, it's fit. Completely fit. Okay. Take off the needle. I want to tie it. Okay. See. One time. Two times. And three times. Okay, then cut the tail. And use the bee to use the hole to hide the tail. Okay, perfect. You can move it around. Okay, guys, I have finished the bracelet. If you like my channel, please give me a like and subscribe my channel. I will see you next time. This is Jack Chan in Hong Kong. Bye bye.